Hello friends, here is a family to color in, and I have some stickers to paste them. So let's start. This color is black. This is green. This is brown. This is purple. This is red. This is brown. This is green. And this one is orange. Here we go. Yes, now I will use stickers. I will put it right, I think here, here, no, I think here, this way, yes. And the other one I will use, I think this one, the butterfly, yes. Do you like butterfly? I think I should use this way. I should use, I think, this duck. This way, here. Yes. And the next one is here, the Peppa Pig. Yes, I hope you like it. What do you think? And the next one is, I think I should use This one. Giraffe. Yes. You like it? I think I should use it here. No. Here. Yes. And the next one is again your favorite pig. Is it done? I think so. No. One thing is left. Now I will use this sticker. Ladybug. Here is sitting on the flower. Yes. And another one maybe sit on another flower. This way. Yes. Do you like it? Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.